Hi everyone. From the last few weeks, I received a lot of email from Ask Ling at lingskincare.com about they wearing the face mask and the skin is breaking out and irritated. Even have a lot of fun line clients showing me the picture how damaged the skin get after 12 hours they wearing the mask. So since taking care of skin is my job for over 40 years already, I would like to show you something really simple and easy way how to heal this breaking out and irritation. You need 2 products to do this treatment at home. Ocean Plasma, Ginseng Moisturizer Mask. If you are a long-time client for Ling Skincare, you must have this product at home. So it's very easy to do and it can help you right away. So first of all, what you're going to do, you're using the Ocean Plasma and you apply it all over your skin. This formula, we have it for a long time, 30 years maybe, and we have supermodels swear by this product because it helped them stop the monthly breakout without drying the skin, because bacteria cannot grow under oxygen. So the second product you have to put it on is the Ginseng Moisturizer Mask. Put it a little bit in your hand, then you apply it all over in your skin over the Ocean Plasma. This product will help you to calm down any discomfort in your skin. Our spa, after the facial, we use this product to calm down all the redness and to heal the skin. Because our most well-known facial is the Wow Triple Peel Facial. So you have 3 different peel and then you have thorough extractions. So after that, your skin will get so hot and red. But the minute you apply this mask on, all the discomfort will be healed and calm down. So that's all you have to do in your skin. You apply Ocean Plasma, Ginseng Moisturizer Mask, and leave it on your skin. That's all you have to do. You can sleep with this mask on if you want to, if your skin's really get damaged. Or you can take it off 30 minutes to an hour, give them a chance to heal. So that's all you have to do. And after you take it off, put back your hydrator and then Ocean Plasma again and moisturizer. So hopefully this can help you and benefit you from the irritation from the mask.